And one of the things that was really important to me when I was creating this PowerPoint is to give you a visual. Because as we know, when we're looking at things like just a long call graph, we have a visual example of what could happen if the stock moves up or down. If you have an iron condor, same kind of thing. And so I think intuitively, a lot of times trading options, even though we're looking at the numbers, we are really getting this visual on what those expectations are going to look like. So we're taking it just a step further and hoping to give you not only this visual experience, but maybe a visceral, like physical experience, because we're going to be relating this to actually getting in the driver's seat of your car and putting your hands on that steering wheel. So we're going to be talking about delta, we're going to be talking about gamma, we're going to talk about theta, and we're going to talk about vega. And what that's going to look like is basically the dashboard of your car. So you sit in your car, you put your seatbelt on, your hands on the steering wheel, you start up that car, and you're going to look at your speedometer. And that speedometer is going to tell you how fast you're going. You're going to put your foot on that gas pedal, and you're going to accelerate. And as you accelerate, you're going to look at how fast you're going and how that increases. And then we're going to be looking at theta. So to your left, you have your fuel gauge, and we're going to look at how that fuel gauge and the fuel in your tank basically decays or evaporates, or you use as you're driving down the highway. And lastly, we're sitting in our car, we're looking at that front window, and what are we driving into? Is it clear skies and sunny, or perhaps like today in Chicago, it's snowing, maybe you're driving through a snowstorm, and how those kind of conditions are all, this whole big package, relate to pricing an option. Okay, so we're going to get started with delta first. So we're going to basically look at our sitting in our car, hands on our, what is it, 11-1 or 10-2, whatever you are, you got your hands on the wheels, and you're looking at your speedometer. And that speedometer is going to be telling you how fast you're going. We're going to translate that into a delta. So we're going to say that speed, that rate that we're going right now is the delta of us driving. Miles per hour, whether we're going 50 or 60, that's going to be our delta. So if your speedometer reads 60 miles per hour, so you would expect for every mile that you drive that you're getting 60% of the way there. Okay, and I just want to say this as I go along. Some of these analogies are a stretch,